was stunning as it was sudden. Jaws dropped, eyes rolled, and head shook in disbelief upon hearing the news this morning of the celebrated and handpicked PNP chief's removal from his post over protocol or procedural non-compliance. Ryan Lesigas has more on the meteoric rise and precipitous fall of former PNP chief Nicolas Torre III and his successor, who he wrongfully demoted earlier this month.
Pursuant to General Orders Number NSQ-GO-DES 2025-4309, National Headquarters, Philippine National Police, dated August 26, 2025.
Former PNP Chief Police General Nicolas Torre III was removed from his post. This was the breaking news this morning. This was confirmed by Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, who signed the order yesterday, August 25. The removal of Torre took effect immediately, who only lasted more than 2 months in the position. However, a proper turnover of documents and crucial information to the office of the highest official of the PNP was ensured. The former number 2 in command, whom Torre transferred as Area Police Commander in Western Mindanao, Police Lieutenant General Jose Melencio Nartates Jr. was appointed OIC Chief PNP.
Okay, the Philippine National Police is a dynamic organization. We are covered by orders, we are covered by policies. As a fine Filipino public servant na minsan ay isang sundalo, susunod lang tayo kung ano ang ibibigay na utos, especially this is a general order.
Hours after the removal of Torre was confirmed, DILG Secretary Junvic Rimulya led the assumption of command ceremony for Nartates. According to Rimulya, no law was violated. Torre also has no criminal case or administrative case. Rimulya said it was a difficult decision for President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. to remove Torre as PNP chief, but it was necessary. The president wants to ensure that the national security apparatus of the government is heading in only one direction. In connection with this, the relationship between NAPOLCOM and the PNP must be good, and the law must be followed. He also clarified that politics had nothing to do with Torre's removal.
That is precisely why we are doing this, because we want to take politics out of the equation. When you have issues arising, you must resolve it according to the rules of the institution, and that's what we are doing. This is not a popularity contest. This is a question of maintaining the integrity of the institution.
Rimulya also clarified that he had no rift with the former PNP chief.
Remember, I only entered the SILG last October, and that's the first time I met him. And from then till now, our relationship has, I would care to say that it is stellar.
Meanwhile, Rimulya said the president is considering giving Torre another position in government.
Because the president still believes in his capacity, in his organizational strength, in his vast experience in the service. So the president believes that he can be of use in other positions critical to the nation's development.
In his message, Nartates Jr. said he will continue the reforms within the PNP. This includes the implementation of a 5-minute response time for all distress calls. Nartates, who hails from Santa Ilocos Sur, is a member of the Philippine Military Academy Tanglao Diwa class of 1992. Before being appointed to the highest position in the PNP, he served as Police Area Commander in Western Mindanao. Nartates also served as Deputy Chief for Administration of the PNP, former Director of the National Capital Region Police Office, Directorate for Intelligence, and Directorate for Comptrollership. He also headed Police Regional Office 4A and became Director of the Finance Service at the PNP National Headquarters. In his long career in public service, he also started as Senior Superintendent in the Ilocos Norte Provincial Police Office. As of June 2025, Nartates has 1 year and 9 months left before his mandatory retirement in March 2027. Torre was a no-show at the assumption of command ceremony earlier. As of now, Torre has the option to file for early retirement. If not, he will retain his 4-star rank while under the office of the Chief PNP or Personnel Holding and Accounting Unit. Ryan Lesigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines, Kamkrame.